Okay, they want us to construct confidence intervals. They give us the mean deviation, and they want the level of different interval sizes 98 and 99%. So in part A, uh, construct a 98% confidence interval about the mean if the sample size n is 20. So we can get to that by doing stat, go to open stat crunch, go to stats, and then go to t-stats, and then one sample with summary. Okay, so they give us what the sample mean is. In this case, the sample mean is 110. The sample standard deviation is 10. The sample size is 20. Okay. Then you want us to select the confidence interval. And they want it to be a 98% confidence interval. And then we can press compute. And that gives us our lower limit and our upper limit. So we go through here, and there's our lower bound, which is 104, and our upper bound, which is 115. Okay, and there's our limits there. And for part B, they want us to do another interval if the number of observations here is 25. So I can go into stat, that should say stats there. Stat crunch, and then stat, and then t-stats, and then one sample with summary. And the sample mean, sample standard deviation is 10, and the sample size in this case is 25. Okay, then you have to select confidence interval. In this case, they want a 98% confidence interval. And then we can hit compute. And that gives us our upper and lower bound for part B. And there's our lower bound is 105. And it matches there. And our upper bound is 114.98, which is 115. So rounded there. And then part C, they want a 99% interval. If n is 20. So this one here should say stat. In this case, they give us the mean to be 110. The standard deviation is 10. The sample size in this case is 20. So we can go ahead and select stats, and then t-stats, and one sample with summary. And then we can put in our mean, which is 110. Standard deviation, which is 10. And the sample size, which is 20. Select the confidence interval. In this case, they want a 99% confidence interval. And we press compute. And it gives us our lower bound and our upper bound here. Okay. And that's C. Next one is D. Ask the question, could we have computed the confidence intervals in parts A through C if the population had not been normally distributed? Students' t-distribution requires that the population follows a normal distribution, so we could not have.